Hey KAISERCOBY with a K, welcome back to my channel. And if you're wondering what KAISERCOBY is is this little family we've got going. It's not even little anymore. This growing family we've got going on here, and it's so easy to join. Like, you're wondering how to do that? Let me tell you. You just hit that subscribe button and you're already part of the family. But yeah, you know you want to. You're already into this video, so come on, stay. We would love to have you. But yeah, so guys, in today's video, just in case you guys are wondering why I have a full face on, but it doesn't look completed to you, because it's not. Okay, this look is not complete because we're going to be playing around and creating a bomb look with the new Juvia's Place Festival palette. Guys, this palette is beautiful. No, let me not even talk. Let me just show you. Guys, what? This is so beautiful. Like, I'm in love with this palette because it has, like, I don't know, it's like the perfect colourful palette, if that makes sense. Because, like, I have colourful palettes, yeah, and you guys already know I don't play with colours. Like, you guys know that. I just stick to my basic neutrals. Sometimes there's a bit of pink here and there, and that's it. But I don't play with colours because most of the time the palettes are literally so intimidating to me. Like, I'll pick it up and I'm like, okay, that's a bit scary. Let me just go back to what I'm used to. But this is like the perfect, like, in between. I don't know what to like call it, but it's like, it's perfect. Like, it doesn't scare me when I look at it, if that makes sense. And I love that about it. Like, I'm not scared about the colors. These colors look really friendly, like, you know what I mean, guys? So yeah, we're gonna be playing around with this palette. I'm gonna be giving you guys the swatches, the tea on this palette, and a bomb tutorial on this palette. So if you guys want to know how that all looks like, continue watching. Alright guys, so let's get straight into swatching the Festival palette. So yeah, you know my sleeves already rolled up, so you know I mean business. The first shade I'm swatching in this palette is called Zafar, and it's the deep red color. Ooh, guys! The second one is called Uli, and it's like a shimmery silver like color. That's what it looks like on the pan. Ooh. Now I'm gonna swatch the third shade in the palette, which is called Ufala, and it's the orange shade. I think it's called Ufala. Correct me if I'm wrong. So let's see what that looks like. Oh my days, guys, this orange. Ah. So the fourth shade I'm going to swatch is called Memanwa, I think, but it looks like a really peachy, pinkish color. Good. Okay, guys, let me just try and better that swatch because that was a really bad swatch. Okay, I think that's a better swatch. Is that a better swatch for you guys? But yeah, this is really pretty. So the next shade I'm going to swatch literally caught my eyes. Like, it's such a hot pink, neon pink color. So let's see what that looks like on my skin tone. Yo, guys, can y'all see that? Can you guys see that though? Let me just show you. This is really pretty. And it really looks, guys, okay, look at it in the pan. And then look at it here. It looks this way, sorry. If I look at it here, it looks the exact same. Like, you know, sometimes, yeah, the color in the pan doesn't really show the exact, it doesn't look the same on your skin tone basically, but this literally looks the exact same. Like, this is a really accurate match going on right here. Next shade is called Uru, and it's the mustard yellow looking color. So yeah, let's see what that looks like on my skin. That's what that looks like, guys. Again, I'm not good with the swatches. The seventh shade I'm gonna swatch is now called Kelly. It looks like a charcoal black with like a bit of shimmer in it. It's metallic. That's the word, metallic. So I'm gonna swatch that for you guys and show you what that looks like now. Ooh. I'm now going to swatch the blue shade, which is called Abba, I think. Abba. Let's just swatch it. Yeah, this, I'm gonna have fun with this color, guys. I'm now gonna swatch the last shade, and it literally looks like a gold highlighter, like it could pass for a gold highlighter. So I'm just gonna see if I found myself a new highlighter color as well as an eyeshadow. Let's see. Okay, I did. You know I did. Alright guys, let's go and play. Let's play with these shades and let's create a look. Alright guys, I'm going to take the brush JP007 Pro Blending Brush. This is also by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to use the color Oru, which is the yellow mustardy color here. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Wow. Oh, this is so good. just like that. Really nice, really simple. I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other eye. Alright guys, so one thing I could definitely say about this palette is how easy it is to blend out. It's not chalky, like it literally just blends in like butter. Like it's so simple, really beginner friendly. I like that because you don't have to be out here spending time or applying it in a certain way for it to work. I'm now going to take the orange shade, which is called Ofala, I think is what it's called. I'm going to use that to basically put that directly in my crease and smoke it out or blend it out into the transition shade we just applied, which is the yellow oral shade. So beautiful. So right now, all I'm doing is literally patting it, and then I'm literally pressing it on in like a circular motion. This way it will be like the most pigmented it can be on your eyelids. So you tap it, you apply it in like a circular motion all the way until you're at that center. Alright guys, so I'm no makeup guru or anything. I just like to teach you guys tips and tricks I've learned along the way. I'm still even learning now while learning makeup, so you guys don't have to go through as many failed attempts as I did. But one thing I've learned when applying eyeshadow, let's say you want like a really true to color, vibrant like lid or crease, don't try and do any sweeping motions because it'll literally just keep on blending out the eyeshadow. So you'll be working at that section for a long period of time. Instead, pick up the product and go in sections until you get from one end to the other. It literally just looks way better. You'll get the color way faster. And yeah, just a little tip and trick. So I'm going to do what I just did here to the other side. And yeah, I'm now going to take the number 7 brush and use any remaining products just to blend out the crease into the transition shade so there's no harsh lines. Take the pink shade, which is called Irigi, and I'm gonna put that all over my lids. This is so pretty and colorful. See, you guys can't tell me I don't do colorful looks. I try sometimes, okay? I'm now just going to start patting it on just so it's more vibrant. Alright guys, so I'm now going to take the number 7 brush again. This is the brush I used to blend out the yellow and the orange. I'm just going to use this just to blend out any harsh lines that may have occurred when I just did this eye look. Alright guys, so consider I'm not an eyeshadow pro and you guys already know this, like, you know I always play it safe. This is really good, like I'm really impressed. So this is definitely beginner friendly because right now for like a beginner, and it's really just blending, wow. It's literally blending so well and so good and so easy. It's making life easy for me and fun. I like that. So right now what I'm going to do is take the number 3, yeah, the number 3 brush, and this is called the Precision Eyebrow brush. I don't really care if it's for eyebrows. I'm going to use it for underneath my waterline right here. And I'm going to take the shade Abba, which is the blue shade. I told you guys I was coming to the shade. I told you. I'm going to put that all under there. Let's see what that looks like. This looks so good. And this, I was really scared to do this, but I think this looks so good. Guys, what do you think? Don't judge me. This first time I've played with colors like that, okay, guys? But I think this looks so cute. Like, I don't know, I look like a cute, like, what's them animals that have the really nice, feathery, different colors? I don't remember. But you guys list it down below. But that's what this look reminds me of. And I'm just gonna try and drag it a bit upwards, so it's kind of like a under eyeliner, if that makes sense. So not the normal eyeliner that you start like there, but like there. Ooh. I'm getting creative. Just like that. Like I'm gonna clean it up a bit, but literally just like that. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. I know, a bit crazy, but just imagine what it's gonna look like after I apply eyeliner as well. Alright guys, so this is basically all I'm doing with the eyeshadow. I'm really in love with this palette because I love the way it blended out. That's one thing that made me so happy because I hate having to spend a really long time blending out my eyeshadow. Like it's my number one pet peeve. I just don't like doing it. And also what I like is how like every color here literally complements each other. You can literally pick, like, for example, the orange and this color right here, and you can make it work. Like every color in this palette works together in a way that's just so easy to use. So it's like just a really inviting, beginner friendly eyeshadow look. Like mainly for people that want to, like, you know, show out this festival season that's coming up. Like, you know, you want to show out, be the outstanding one of the group, you know, stunt on everyone. Yes, this is the palette for you. But yeah, what I'm going to do right now is literally apply lashes and eyeliner off camera, because I still haven't mastered how to do that on camera yet, guys. And I'm going to be right back and show you guys the ending look. Alright guys, so I'm back and this is the completed look. This is what your girl is working with. Guys, I'm in love. I'm actually like so shocked. At first I was like, you know what, girl, you're going a bit crazy. You're trying to do sunset with a pop of blue. Like, where do you think this is going? But I'm really happy I did this. It reminds me of like the sunset when it hits like the ocean. Have you guys ever seen a picture like that? If you haven't, just try and imagine it. That's what this look has given me. But I'm so happy I did it. And guys, you guys definitely need to go and get your hands on this palette. Like, it's amazing. And it's so affordable. It's $21.50 for the pigment, the colors, and basically, guys, you can't go wrong. The pigment is amazing. It's so easy to blend out like butter. And the price? You guys know you can't play around with that. I'm gonna also link down all the details for also people that's in the UK. $21 and $21.50. I think will be like around £17 or something. That's just me doing it off the top of my head. Let me double check for you guys. It's actually £15.57p. So that's how much it will be in pounds plus shipping, of course. But I'll let you guys know if they have any like UK retailers that this particular palette will be in, or in the description bar down below, so make sure you check that out, guys. So I also did a completely different look using the same palette, just so you guys can, you know, have a variation of looks that you can try and complete using this palette, because this is gonna be a friend of mine. I'm gonna be using this a lot. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, literally just go on Instagram, type KAISERCOBY if you're not already following me, and click my most recent post, and that will be a completely different look using the same palette. But guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, share with all your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.